How to remove black bars on stretched resolution. Hey guys, this is Lucy with another tutorial, and today I am going to show you how to remove black bars on your screen. So first you need to go to start or the search and type display settings and click on that. So you go to your screen which has black bars problem. So after you click on the one that has the problem, you scroll down and go to advanced display. You click on that and click on the button that says display adapter properties for display 2. You click on that and this little dialog box will pop up. You go to monitor and go to screen refresh rate and click on the highest hertz that you've got. So in my case, the highest hertz that I've got is 60 hertz. So you click on that and you click on apply and then OK. Then your screen will refresh a little or it will black out a little bit. Then your black bars on stretch resolution problem is solved. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Meet you guys in the next video.